family. Here with the team, my colleagues. But as time goes on, they will introduce themselves one by one. Who are they? Today we are here, as we said recently. So we came to visit the family for Mandela Day. As we know that today is Mandela Day, a day that is being celebrated globally. So today we have chosen your house or your household, whatever, if I should put it that way. These are the contributions from the staff from Gamalakhe CHC. So on behalf of the management of Gamalakhe CHC, we are here to present these groceries. We know that this day it mustn't be celebrated once a year. It's a day that must be celebrated every year because there are so many families or miningi imdeni enjengeyakho edingayo usizo, of which we hope ukuthi if amandla ekhona noNkulunkulu mkhulu futhi enjalo ngapha konke sikwenza ngothando lukaNkulunkulu. So
Safana gulate, I call